Hey friends, it's Emily from Burlap Kitchen, and today we're going to make something really cute for 4th of July. The first thing I'm going to do is start with these blocks that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to go ahead and stain them. I'm just using Waverly Antique Wax and a baby wipe for that. So you're going to need 3 of the blocks in the pack, and I have another fun craft coming with the rest of the blocks that you're going to love too this week. So once I get these stained, then I stained one of the stars from our star pack. And I'm just doing the same thing, a baby wipe and some antique wax. Make sure it's nice and dry. Next, I am going to use some paint. This is the Flamenco red color that I just had color matched at Lowe's. And I'm going to go ahead and paint 2 of the 3 blocks with that red color. Once I get it painted, then I made sure it was dry. And then I'm going to use my vintage white. And I'm going to paint that center block with the vintage white. Now that it's dry, I'm going to go ahead and sand over it with a sanding block and some sandpaper. I get a lot of questions on these sanding blocks. You can find them at Lowe's or Walmart. And once that's all sanded, I'm going to come over and paint the star with some blue. I want to say, I got a few questions on this blue. I want to say it's like called English Navy. And then of course I sanded that as well. Now we're going to go ahead and add some antique wax. This is the Dixie Belle antique wax in, I believe the color is Best Dang Black. And we're just using a blending tool to apply that. I took my hot glue and I just started to glue the blocks together, putting the white one in the center. And then I glued the star to the center of the blocks. Now I'm just going to take some twine and wrap it around a few times just to add a little something extra here to this project. And then I just tied a little bow. I'm going to go ahead and clip that down. And I decided to add a tag. I really like to add these cute little tags to projects. I think they just add something extra to them. And then I'm using my Sharpie Fine-point marker to write USA. I'm going to crumble it up just a few times to give it that rustic look, and then use a little bit of antique wax over top of it, and then I did use my Dixie Belle wax on top of that. So then I'm going to go ahead and add some greenery to both sides of the bow, and then just glue that USA tag in the center, and then a button in the center of that, and then I just added a few flowers. This project turned out so cute. Let me know what you think and if you plan to give this one a try.